I've created over 300 plus videos for my personal brand, and I've spent hours, even days editing videos, trying to find good looking styles that in the end look good but didn't perform well. Then I started noticing a pattern. The styles that not only look super clean, take only 15 minutes maximum to create, but these styles perform insanely well. And in this video, I'm gonna show you the 7 most insanely clean aesthetic Instagram Reels styles you can be implementing today to make a super clean aesthetic personal brand. I'll cover each reel style deeply so you get a real good understanding of why they work and how you can replicate it yourself. And if you're new here, my name is Torsten Roscoe. I create digital assets for content creators just like you to create Instagram Reels exactly like all of these I'm gonna be showing today in just a few simple clips using my editing assets and presets. I'll leave those down in the link in the description, and make sure to comment, like, and subscribe to the channel, and let's get right into this video. All right, the first style that I've actually been integrating in my personal brand recently is this super clean, really cool, like shine text effect. So I'll play some few examples here. Every single style, like I said, I'm gonna be going in depth, and I have multiple different examples for you guys so you kind of get a gif of how you can use it in your niche or how you can just spark creative ideas. So this guy, I don't know who he is, but he makes really cool content. He like raps to everything you can hear right now, but he uses this really cool like shine effect. Like you can see right here, it's right here. It's also like right in this beginning right here. Devin Jaffa, if you guys don't know, he's super big on Instagram. He also uses it. So right here, you can see on that, you can see that this is the exact same as like that. I'll play it a little more, see if he uses it in this video. Ooh, it looks like he does right. He uses it right here also. And then I also, you know, the boy, the legend, the king himself, Torsten Roscoe, he uses it in his videos too. And I've really just realized that this style with this shine effect, it's super duper eye-catching, and I think that's why this gets so much engagement and people love it so much, just because it's super good looking, but it also makes your videos feel super clean and super high quality. Like if I didn't really have this one, obviously my video would just look good because, you know, it's me. I'm saying that this video just has more of a unique look and angle because I use it in this way with the colors and everything like that. And I think this style is just super good. And if you're not using this style, I think you're missing out. This is actually a pretty good trend that I've been seeing, and I hopped on. And if you're wondering like, hey Torsten, well, this is a good style, but how do I make it? Well, I actually created this shine effect inside of Adobe Premiere Pro. So if you guys use that, and even better, I made it into a single click option. So all you have to do is just drag and drop this preset into your Adobe Premiere Pro clip, and then it'll instantly add this shine effect. You can totally customize it to your liking with your own fonts, the colorway, every single thing. I'll actually leave a video down in the link description, or I'll pop it up here too, showing you exactly how I use it in my content and how easy it is to use, so you guys can use this and hop on this trend right now to create a fuck ton of traction. This video and like all my other videos, I'm pretty sure got like over 30K views just by using this, which is absolutely insane. So let's go on to the second style, which is before and afters. I love before and afters. These are crushing. I actually just released one of my videos right here, you can see. And this before and after, I actually did it after before because we always look to the left, and that's why I love this style. I made it so then, like you can see right here, it's obvious this after looks a lot better than this before. And again, I wanna quickly shout out that I have a video fully on this, breaking down this reel. I'll pop it up here or leave it in the link description also. So if you guys are interested in how you can create all these text effects, every single thing that I did in this video, you can learn today, right now. Definitely go check that out, I recommend it. But this before and after really gains a lot of attraction because it's just kind of acting as a learning gauge to people that just want to learn or look at something that's just aesthetically pleasing. I mean, when you play this, my boy Phoebus, he loves doing these. You can see this is in the sports niche. He does a different approach to it, but that is pretty much the exact same thing. After, before, he's using his cinematic transitions. You can see it just looks 20 times better. And then again, over here, here's another way you can do it. This guy did this kind of cool $5 edit and then $80 edit. You can obviously tell it's 100 times better, just like so. That's why it's an $80 edit versus a $5 edit, which I guarantee you no one bought that for $5. I'm not trying to expose anything or anything, but this is just another example of a before and after. Again, super aesthetic. That's why people love to watch this, because they just like to see before and after things as a thing. And I actually saw this really cool, unique ad that I grabbed, which is this AI before and after, which is actually pretty dope. So if you guys are saying, how can I do this in my reel? Well, AI guys are doing this for their advertisements, so I'm sure you can figure it out, buddy. But let me show you exactly what it looks like. So when I play this, if Canva, come on Canva, there we go, here we go. So you can see on the top, it's ChatGPT, and on the bottom it's this AI kind of tool, whatever. It really just makes these pictures alive and look really good. Again, here it is. The girl is walking inside instead of a stagnant. He's pouring coffee. He's showing and giving. It's actually Starbucks, which is actually pretty dope. That's actually, whoa, that's crazy. It's from Starbucks. Yo, this AI stuff is going insane. But that is the before and after. I think if you guys are not using before and afters, these are going to be crushing a lot, and they have always just been crushing. I actually released this video right here, and in the first like 24 hours, it got all the way up to, I think, like 10K. So it just went complete nuts, all because I used the before and after and brought some free value to the table. Now, this is the style that I absolutely fucking love and I use in almost every one of my videos, and I actually got it from the man, the myth, the legend, Tom Nosk, which he absolutely crushes this style, which is this talking head with tons of B-roll. Because not only in this style, super easy to create, it's actually like the style that I only pretty much use. It's not only super easy to create, but it looks super duper clean. And nowadays, all Instagram Reels is just shots of really cool lighting and pictures and videos of people. It's not really the whole fancy 3D editing anymore. No one wants to waste 8 hours sitting on their computer editing when they can just make this crispy, clean, super, it's like, it's 100 times better. And you don't even have to waste your full day editing this video, all because it's just a super easy, like I said, clean B-roll, here's some B-roll, and then A-roll, me is talking. A-roll is your main footage of you talking, then B-roll is just another footage that you put on top to add just some different clips. Like I said, here's some B-roll, really cool aesthetic, making me look absolutely amazing and as handsome as I am. Here's another guy that I absolutely love to watch. He does an amazing job at this style. You can see as I play it. Lots of talking head with a bunch of B-roll. And I think this style is really just the key to, if you want an aesthetic personal brand going with, because it really adds a lot of personal touch to all of your videos. Because you can see like all this B-roll is of him. He's right here sitting, he's gonna write in a book, it looks like. Me, I'm walking right here, like this is all personal to me, and people are just gonna love this because it's all personal to you. I think this is the way of building a personal brand. Tom does it also with his B-roll. He can see that's him writing. And if I play a little longer, I mean, that's not obviously him, but you get the gist. Yep, right here, all this stuff. And I think the reason why this style works is because, like I said, it's super personal to the person, and it's super aesthetic if you know what you're doing. And if you guys don't know what you're doing, how to operate your camera and stuff like that, and if you want to get like outside sick B-roll just like this, I'm sitting right here, or how I did all these shots too. I mean, this too, really super dope. I actually have a full video of me breaking down how I shoot outside B-roll for my Instagram Reels. So if you want to learn how I did that, you can go click the video up here. I know I'm doing that a lot, or down in the link in the description. Just trying to help you guys out and give you a lot of free value. So with that out of the way, let's go on to the fourth one, which is all B-roll plus a crop. Now these are super clean. I'm sure you guys have seen this kind of crop. It's like a cinematic kind of border that almost looks like it's from a film gate. And it's basically just this crop. So you can see it's cropped right here. Same with here. Actually, if I get like a better, maybe brighter, you can't really, maybe you can't really see it. Like, you can't really see it right there either. Or like here, you can see this like nice crop. There's a crop right here. And these are just really simple. I mean, all these people do is use either A-roll and B-roll or just super clean B-roll with a lot of text. This is just a super clean style that a lot of people are using. I really love the crop. It was a huge trend. I don't know if it's still going on. I'm sure it is because, I mean, obviously it is because I'm still getting it showed up. It's not as popular as it used to be, but I still think that this trend is something that you guys should be landing on. And I'll actually show you a different type of crop right now that this trend actually loves. And my coach, Brian Delmont, shout out to that man, the myth, the legend. Love that man so much. He's changed my life. By the way, this style is just B-roll and text. So this is more of a faceless style, I like to call it. So faceless just means like, yes, you're showing your face, but you're not like talking head like I'm doing right now. Or like all my other reels, you'll see me like talking into the camera and I'm talking to you. These are just faceless. He's actually in it, but he's just using B-roll plus text on screen so you can see. This is also, like I said, another crop. You can see it's different. The crop is just longer. It's different than these over here. I actually don't see these very much. That's why I think Brian likes them a lot. And it just looks really good on him. So this style I think works just because it's just a super quick way to get out a reel that's actually aesthetic. It builds a lot of trust because these videos, you're not trying to like get people to really move anywhere. All you're trying to really let them do or know is of you. You're trying to get in front of your face and do all that. That's why I think this style works so much, especially like Brian does really well. He has a super clean look that's just signature to him. And he's just, you know, he's fucking Brian, dude. Like, you ain't gonna compete with that man. Now, here's another style that I actually love that I think builds a lot of trust, and that's why it works so well. Like Millionaire Key, this guy in the middle, he is really dope. He uses this style so much. And I think it's because one, I mean, it's just yapping. It's super raw. Like when you are watching people like I'm talking right now, there's no script. All he does is pull out the camera. He just talks with like some text on top and that's it. Like that's all he does. I think it works so well because it's super duper raw and you feel so connected with him. You feel like you're actually there and you're just talking straight to him and listening to him right off the cuff. No fancy equipment, etc. This is why I love when I watch Millionaire Keith like he's doing right now. He's just talking. I mean, he obviously knows what he's talking about and he kind of has like a little bit of a script on where he's trying to get to a point. But he just gets to a nice raw type of feel. Brian does it too, my coach. He does it in a more aesthetic way. He adds a film gray, but all the rest of his stuff is kind of pretty much the same. Like he's talking in this video, he actually would rather just grab a camera and just pick it up and start recording rather than a script, which is absolutely dope. And he freaking destroys at this yapping part. Next, here's another example. This guy does the exact same thing. He used the B-roll at the beginning, but otherwise, look at this. It's just him just sitting there yapping. Looks super good, clean. He fucking nailed it. Now, for the last and final one, I've been actually seeing that are going like super crazy viral lately, and that is this stacking. Now there's a 3 stack, there's a 2 stack, there's a 4 stack, there's so many different stacks. All the pointing is that you are stacking. So you can see right here, this is an example of like a color grade. It goes from log, flat footage to just like the color grade. He's showing off his color grading, trying to getting people to buy his color grade, etc., just like that. And then this one is also like you can see, this guy's just kind of giving you a tutorial on how to set up your lighting, which is actually super dope and looks super cinematic. But here's an example of a stack with a 2. So this is a 2, this is a 3, and then this is also a 3. But here's just some cool ideas that you guys can do to create an aesthetic personal brand that looks super clean and gains a lot of traction, because at the end of the day, people really love this, not only just because it's a stack, but we humans, we really love to just watch stuff that's aesthetically pleasing. Like this freaking guy, he just nails it, man. He nails it with this super clean, like, even if I didn't know the guy, or if I'm even not even interested in him at all, I can at least appreciate his videos because they just look so good and eye appealing to my eyes. It's like eye candy, like, So those are the 7 styles that I recommend everyone looking into and implementing. I'm definitely gonna be implementing a lot of these into my videos if I haven't already. And if you liked this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I appreciate the support and it helps out the channel a ton. And if you wanna learn exactly how to edit just like me, go click this video right over here and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace!